you can click on this menu, drop down menu. Good. When click on it now, you can see mintable, no. Freezable, no. I hope you guys are following. Making money trading meme coins is not just by luck, it's by doing research and understand how to do it right. Mintable means developer can print unlimited token, and freezable means developers can freeze your wallet holdings. In this video, guys, I want to give you step-by-step strategy on how to make up to $500 or more than that. It may not be up to that by doing what? Just by sniping meme coins online. That is all. Everyone talks about meme coin after it blows up. But what if I told you that the real money is made before everyone even hears about them? Yes. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I find and snipe new meme coins that can turn $50 to $500 even within a day. But before I go further, let me quickly give you this quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Crypto trading is risky and you should always do your own personal research before investing in any token. Most people buy meme coins after they have already trending. But here is the truth. Once a token is listed and hyped, your chance of 10x or 100x profit is almost gone. I hope you understand me. Once a token is listed and hyped, your chance or tendency of making 10x or 100x profit is almost gone. The real opportunity is catching those coins within a few hours of launch. The first few hours of launch. That means before the crowd rushes in. For real, I know this sounds risky, but missing those early entries is what keeps most traders chasing pumps instead of catching them early. So here is the full breakdown of how to spot early meme coins safely using DexScreener and Phantom Wallet. The last video I made where I show you live trading of meme coins. I see you have to go and watch the video. You see how I set up the account, Phantom Wallet, everything. Check the pinned comments. You see link to go and watch the video. So let's go on. If you don't have DexScreener already, go to your Play Store, then go get it. When installed, click on open. Click on this trending, then change it by clicking this 5 minutes. Then click on this one here, this edge. Select last 5 minutes. Next thing now is to slide like this to filter age. Good. Now you can see pair age. This is pair age. Click on it. This helps you to pick coins that were listed just minutes or hours ago. Set minimum hours to 0.1, which is equivalent to 10 minutes. Then set the maximum hours to 24 hours. Then click on apply to apply filter. So doing this now will help us to see coins that launched within the last 24 hours. And this is exactly where the 10x magic happens. I hope you are grabbing, guys. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, you need to give me a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I still have many more secrets to give you to make money. I will not hold anything from you. I will give you freely. You have questions? Drop for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. Do you want to connect with me also? Check the pinned comment. You see link to connect with me on WhatsApp. So mistake many traders miss is this. They ignore filters and they rely on hype, just hype only. And that is why they lose money to rug pulls. And how will you know that these coins are listed in the last 24 hours? You can easily see through here. For instance, look at the first one here. This is, I think, 11 hours. This is 2 hours. This is 1 hour, 1 hour. I think this one just launched 1 hour ago, 8 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. I hope you grab for this tutorial. So let me click on one of these coins and at least for this tutorial now so as to show you what is happening. So let's check these coins. I think, okay, let's check this one. This was launched 2 hours ago. King coin. Now, here is how to identify which new coins are safe enough to enter. Step number 1 is to check basic safety. So look for logged liquidity. I repeat, look for logged liquidity. It's not all liquidity that is to be logged. So look for logged liquidity. Let me show you. Look at this one. You see something like padlock there in this liquidity. It is logged. That means developer can't just drain the pool. It is logged. I can show you another one. You will not see that it is logged. It may not be logged, but always try to look for the one that is logged. I hope you are grabbing. So after looking for the logged liquidity, the second thing you have to consider, don't forget we are still under checking of the basic safety, which is step 1. I repeat, check for or look for logged liquidity. Second thing to do is what? Avoid coins that are mintable freezable and freezable. These are red flags. How will you know? Let's be scrolling down. Let's be scrolling down. Let's be scrolling. Good. Now, when you get to this place, you see audit. Under audit, you see no issue. And you see this drop down menu here. You can click on this menu, drop down menu. Good. When you click on it now, you can see mintable, no. Freezable, no. I hope you guys are following. Making money trading meme coins is not just by luck, it's by doing research and understand how to do it right. Mintable means developer can print unlimited tokens, and freezable means developers can freeze your wallet holdings. I hope you grab again. If you have not liked this video, you have to do now. You know I'm trying for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do now. Then share this video. Now we are done with step 1. Then the step 2 is using community sentiment. This is it. Let me show you this place. This is where we want to talk about the step 2. Using community sentiment. You can see something like rocket, like fire, like a red flag, and this icon, right? If rocket and fire outweigh the red flags, then it's a green light to investigate further. I hope you're grabbing. It's a green light to investigate further, which proves like it's a good coin to invest in. Another thing you have to do is this. Copy the contract address. Go up, up, up. Then this is the contract address. This is it. This is it. Click on this place. Copy. Copy the contract address. Then go to Telegram. Search for TTF bot. TTF bot. Click on it. Then the address, contract address, you copy it, paste it, then enter. The help of this TTF bot is to help us to verify this token, to check if the contract is renounced and who owns it. So look at it now. So look at the report. Looks clean to me. Looks clean to me. Mintable, no. Age 2 hours 26 minutes. Liquidity 100%. So from here you see their website, their Twitter, and many more. But I grabbed something from here, which is this one. Looks clean to me. So we have done step 1, step 2. Now step 3 is this. Step 3 is to analyze the chart. Click on chart. Oh great. Next thing to do is to change the time frame to 5 minutes. If you see it's 15 minutes, so we have to put it 5 minutes. So click on this 5 minutes. Oh good. So next thing to do now is to change the chart display from price to market cap. For what? For clearer analysis. Now how are we going to do that? Now we need to make use of a tool called Fibonacci retracement tool. So what we have to do now is to this. Come here. I will drag this down to the left like this. You see, then drag again. Now you see a pair which is price slash M cap. So we have to click on it and ensure this is tick. This M cap is tick for us. So click it. Oh good. Now you can see before it was this price that tick or color blue, but now when I click on it, this color blue have been assigned to M cap. Just get it. That is the easiest way I can explain it, so that at least even if a beginner, you will be able to understand me. So next thing to do now is to go and select Fibonacci effects. How are we going to do that? Click on this. Good. Then click on this first one here, which is Fibonacci retracement. So we can see this effect now by seeing the cross. Let me show you. Are you seeing like cross here? So that is Fibonacci retracement effect. The first thing to do now is to point from the starting point. So where is the starting point? This side, this place should be around our starting point, I think. So we have to click here now, then drag to the upper point or highest point, from starting point to the highest point. When done, then double tap the screen in order to lock the effect. So here now, when double tap, you can see I can zoom in, zoom out this. So as you can see from here now, let me tell you this Fibonacci retracement definition is and how it's going to help us with this. We have to focus on 0.5, which is our golden ratio. Let me show you. This is 0.5, which is our what? Golden ratio. This is 0.5, which is our golden ratio. And 0.6, this one, 0.618, you are seeing here. This zone also. These are the buy zones. That is with the help of these two. These are the buy zone. Price usually retraces here before the next move up. For example, now if we enter around 0.5 retracement and sell near the next peak, that is easily 1.5x to 2x profits within short minutes or hours. I hope you are grabbing. Very simple. I know it sounds easy, right? But that is trick. The hard part is discipline. Most people get greedy and stay too long, and that is how rug pulls win them. Assuming you buy this token now here at 0.618 at let's say 320,000, and you sell when they get to like 480,000, look at the multiple X profit you will get with this. That is the power of doing research before trading meme coin. So that is just what I have for you with this. If you have questions based on this, please drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. And don't forget, your market cap should be higher than your volume. Okay, don't forget that one. If it skipped my mind to tell you before, just note it down. You have questions, drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. Or you want to enroll for my course, check the pin comment to connect with me to enroll for my crypto class. So please don't forget to give me a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and help me to share this video. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.